Beautiful rooms begin with a feeling. Beautiful rooms rarely begin with furniture, and they don't begin with a decorating style either. They begin with a feeling. Long before choosing colors, fabrics, or accessories, it helps to ask yourself one simple question. How do I want this room to feel? Do you want it to feel calming, welcoming? You want it to be comfortable or elegant? Or do you want it to be cozy? Because the most beautiful rooms aren't simply collections of objects. They create an experience. And that experience is what people remember. Many people start decorating by asking, what style am I? But perhaps the better question is, how do I want to live in this space? Because beautiful homes are deeply personal. Some people love quiet simplicity. Others are drawn to warmth and layers. Some want a room that feels refined and elegant. Others want a space that feels relaxed and welcoming. None of these choices are right or wrong. The goal isn't to copy someone else's home. The goal is to create a home that supports the life you want to live. And when you begin with feeling instead of style, something interesting happens. Your decision becomes easier. Colors begin to make sense. Furniture choices become clearer. Accessories become more intentional. And gradually, the room begins telling a consistent story. That's one of the reasons beautiful rooms often feel effortless. Not because they happen by accident, but because every choice was guided by the same feeling. And perhaps that is the first secret behind rooms that feel and look beautiful. They know how they want you to feel when you enter the room. Balance is the secret ingredient here. One reason beautiful rooms feel right is because they are balanced. Not symmetrical, but balanced. Balance creates comfort. It helps the eye relax. Nothing feels too heavy. Nothing feels forgotten. Large pieces are balanced by lighter elements. Hard surfaces are softened with texture. Dark colors are balanced with light. Visual weight is distributed throughout the room. Professional designers understand this instinctively. And balance isn't complicated. It simply means creating harmony. Because beauty often comes from harmony. The eye needs a place to rest. Beautiful rooms have a focal point. Something special, something memorable, perhaps it's artwork, or a fireplace, a beautiful lamp, fresh flowers, a beautifully styled coffee table. Without a focal point, rooms can feel busy and confusing, but beautiful rooms know where attention belongs. And equally important, they know what to leave out, because beauty isn't about adding more. Sometimes beauty comes from restraint. Layers create warmth. A room without layers often feels unfinished. Beautiful rooms contain soft fabrics, books, wood, natural textures, plants, woven baskets, throw pillows, and throw blankets, candles, flowers. Layers create depth, and depth creates interest. But layering isn't about filling every surface. It's about creating warmth. Because people are drawn to rooms that feel lived in, rooms that feel loved, rooms that invite us to stay. Lighting changes everything. Perhaps nothing influences the feeling of a room more than light. Light affects mood, atmosphere, comfort. Warm lamps, soft evening lighting, candles, natural sunlight, these elements transform an ordinary space. Beautiful rooms are rarely lit by a single overhead fixture. Instead, they contain layers of light, small moments of glow, warmth, comfort, and this is one of the reasons beautiful homes feel welcoming. Because light creates emotion. Beautiful rooms are edited. One of the biggest misconceptions about decorating is that beauty comes from buying more, but often beauty comes from removing clutter, removing distractions, removing things that no longer serve the room. Beautiful rooms breathe. They have space. They feel intentional. And intentional spaces naturally feel more peaceful. Sometimes the most powerful decorating decisions is deciding what not to include and what to leave out. Personal details tell the story, your family's story. What truly separates beautiful rooms from magazine rooms? It's personality, it's meaning, it's the memories that you make in your home, it's your favorite books, family treasures, fresh flowers, a beloved chair, objects collected over time. Beautiful homes tell stories, not trends. And those stories make a home feel authentic, authentically yours. Because beauty isn't found in copying someone else's home. It's found in creating a space that reflects the life you love. So what's the secret behind rooms that feel beautiful? It's not perfection. It's not expensive furniture. And it's certainly not following every trend. Beautiful rooms are thoughtful, balanced, layered, welcoming, and personal. And perhaps the most important, they make people who live there feel at home. Because at the end, beautiful rooms are not simply seen. They are felt. And when a room feels beautiful, we naturally want to spend time there. We relax. We connect. We live. And that perhaps is the real secret behind rooms that feel beautiful. Until next time, live the life that feels right to you in a home created with intention. And as always, happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. And with your help, we'll reach it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.